let's go over part 5 of the Yang style short form of Tai Chi. In this one, we're going to transition from single whip, down here, taking it out. We're going to go into play the fiddle, drop right down. Drop your left arm, roll with your right shoulder, and carry the ball over, and then drop. So let's do that again. We're up here, we're on single whip. Take it across, turn, on your toe, you drop. So let's play the fiddle right here. Drop your left arm, roll your right shoulder in and down. One more time. Pick this up, take it across, single whip, turn, drop, down. Roll the shoulder in and down. As I've mentioned before, Tai Chi is both a martial art and a form of moving meditation. When we're from the play the fiddle position here, I drop my arm, I'm actually really close to somebody. I'm going into them with my shoulder, and I'm going right along where their groin is, sticking with my hand like this, and then dropping down here. Bit of a nasty move there, but it's very effective. So, from this side, let's take it out, take it across, play the fiddle, drop right down. Drop your left arm, roll the right shoulder in, roll the ball over, and drop right down. Okay, let me do that a few times for you, facing the other direction. So once again, try and breathe through your mouth. Put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, and every time you're striking out, breathe out. So coordinate your breath, make your breath as long as the motion. Anytime you breathe in with Tai Chi, it's like you're taking your breath up from the ground, and you're taking your breath out and down. Now, after you start doing the form for a while, you're going to notice an interesting thing. That all of a sudden you start feeling, it's almost like a flow of energy through your body. And people will say, oh, that's just my circulation. I take my hand out and I can feel the blood flowing through my hand. Well, yes and no. It does increase your circulation. But at the same time, if I was to take my hand down here and just bring my arm like this and go up and down, I can actually feel the flow coming out of my hand. So, there's a lot more to it than you think. There's a reason why Tai Chi has been around for hundreds of years.